Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to solve a very big question, I would say, because there are a lot of people who all are actually struggling to solving this question. Okay, the question is basically how we can lock the PDF, how we can encrypt the PDF. Okay, through VBA in just few lines of a code. In just few lines, I would not write very massive code. Okay, I would be writing couple of a line of a VBA, and that will help us to to lock the PDF. But here we would need to install one third party software. Okay, and how we can integrate that software, okay, with the Excel, and how that can help us, and what kind of coding we need to do, we need to write, right? Those are the things I'm going to tell you. So here, first of all, let me show you the demo. You guys can see I have one folder which is the input folder. If I will open any PDF here, you see data 2 I am just opening. You see, this is something which can open very without password. It is without password, it is actually getting open, right? So if I would show you one more PDF, for example this one, so every PDF here, none of the PDF is locked, right? So we need to lock all the PDFs here. Okay, and after locking whatever the locked PDF, okay, encrypted PDF should be in the output file. Okay, right now output file is blank. Now I have just created the one code. If I will click on this lock PDF, you will see, okay, you will see what is happening. It's done now. All right, let me go to the output file. Now here we do have all the files, whatever the files we had in the input file. Okay, in the input file also we have, but in output we have got those PDF but with the encrypted. Okay, so if I will open any file here, you see, if I am opening the data 3, for example data 2 we open, right? So in data 2, you see, as soon as I'm opening it, it will ask me the password. Okay, if I will open it, then it will, password is wrong. Okay, you see, so password is incorrect. I just forgotten what I have written in the code. Okay, so how we can, I'm again deleting it. Okay, again I have deleted the output file. So what are the things, what are the things we need to do before writing the code? First we need to install that software. Okay, I'm going to the Google. Here you need to write pdf tk. Okay, pdf tk download, simple. That's what actually you need to write. You need to go in the PDF labs. Okay, as soon as you will go, you need to download, you need to go on the bottom and download it first. Okay, as soon as you will download, it will get downloaded. Okay, it is getting downloaded. So what you need to do, you need to, okay, what you need to do in your case, that will, whatever the software we downloaded, that is here, right? If you will right click on it, or you don't need to right click. Okay, you don't need to right click, you just need to only install it. Okay, if you will do the run as an administrator, okay, that will also help us. Okay, so we don't need to, you just need to install, you need to set up it first. Okay, by clicking yes, right? Or you also can do one thing, if you will open, if you will convert this executive file in the zip one, so what it will help you to do, you need to install. Okay, you just need to install by right clicking. Okay, run as an administrator. Once you install, okay, first, for example, I'm just showing you the demo. Okay, I'm showing you the demo, you see. So what is happening, it will be asking you the, it will be asking you where you want to install it. Okay, accept the agreement, and next you need to set, this path is very very important. I'm telling you, you need to define it. What you need to define the folder where you can search it very easily, because sometimes what happen, you need to take the part of this pdf tk software. Okay, because we would need to integrate it with the VBA, right? So you should be aware of where you are gonna install it, right? So you need to define and just click on next, 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 and it will get installed. In my case, what I have done, if you will see, so where I have installed it, here, if you will see here, okay, pdf tk, right? Here you need to go, I already installed, I need to go in the bin. Okay, here, this is what actually a very very important thing. So what I would say, as soon as you will install, that will be, so that will look like this pdf tk. Okay, that will be looking like a folder. All right, so what, let's start. That is what actually you need to install. After that, the part is coming, that how we can integrate this particular software, all right, with the VBA in order to log the PDF. So how we can do this, I'm pressing Alt F11. Okay, here we do have multiple PDF files. Okay, if I will show you, here we do have multiple file. It also can be decreased, it also can be increased. So we need to make it dynamic. So first you need to install, you need to enable the FSO, which is the Microsoft scripting runtime, right? In my case, I already have, installed. If you guys can see, Microsoft scripting runtime is already installed. Okay, I already imported. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to write the code option explicit sub procedure locking PDF1, for example. Okay, so you need to write dim fso as a new file system object folder. Folder you need to define like this. Okay, f1 as a file. Okay, because see, I already have mentioned where is my input folder, where is my output folder, right? It is a folder, not a file. Okay, it is a folder. All right, so now next what you need to define the path of pdf tk as variant. Okay, and input file path, what is this, I will tell you. Okay, variant, and output file path as variant. All right, and dim password you need to define, write the password as variant, and command as variant. Okay, so now just define the PDF TK path. I told you in the beginning that you need to be aware of where you are installing it. You need to go in the bin, just take the path of this PDF TK dot executive file. Okay, you guys can see. Go in the security and take this path. That is what actually is required to integrate it, right? So paste it. Okay, in three inverted comma you need to paste it, 1 2 3, and set folder. Okay, fso dot get folder, where is our input folder, in b5 range b5 dot value. Simply I am writing. Okay, I am not making it complex. Okay, now the simple again line, when for each f1 whatever the file we have. Okay, whatever the file we have in this particular folder, I want to run the loop so that I can get the path of this input file as well. Okay, in inverted comma, 4 times you need to put the inverted comma and write here f1 dot path and close the inverted comma. Okay, that's it. And after that, output file. In output file, what you need to do, where you want to save, I want to save it in the output folder. The folder already I have in b6. So you need to write like this, range b6 dot file dot value. Okay, and after that name. Okay, with the same name I want to export in the output folder. I want to save the lock encrypted PDF, I want to save them. Okay, in the output file as a same name, as the same name of the input file. Okay, so simply close it. You need to put here like this and close it. Simple. After that, password, you need to define password, for example Akash or data 1234545. Okay, that's it. After that, you need to write here command. Okay, it's about to complete. In the command, what you need to write, you need to write pdf tk. Okay, and space, after that input file. Okay, and after that you need to define output like this. Okay, here you need to be very much aware of what you are writing here, right? And after that, output file. In the output file, after that you need a user pw. Okay, user pw. After that, password. Okay, and you need to call it in the command vb normal focus message box. Done. Simple. This is the simple code we need to write, and this is the very easiest way, I would say, to encrypting the PDF. Okay, through VBA. Okay, and this is what actually, this is the automation, this is the big automation you guys can do and you can implement. Okay, in your office, and I would attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it and do the practice as best as you want to do. All right, so let's, this is the locking PDF one. I'm gonna run it one by one. For example, I'm right now you guys can see I don't have any. I do have this PDF in the input folder, but in output I do not have any file so far, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna run it in one go. I'm pressing F5. Okay, it is done. Okay, now you see command is actually executed successfully. So let me see, in output file I have got my all the files. Let's open it. Right click and open with Google. Now you see, I will have to provide the password. The password we kept here data 12345. So I'm writing here. Okay, you see data 12345. I'm pressing submit. Okay, you see now it is getting open. So this is something which is very very big automation with the very small code. Okay, with the very small efforts I would say, because there is a not any big and tough task you guys need to perform. Okay, this is something which is very easiest way to locking the PDF through the PDF TK software. Okay, and how we can integrate it through VBA with the Excel, so that we can do the automation from the Excel, and we are giving the command to locking the PDF and to sending the PDF through the mail and so on, whatever you want to do. The main task only is here to locking to encrypting the password. Okay, encrypting the PDF with the password, because there is no other way. There's another way where we need to purchase the software. Okay, which will be paid software. So this is something which is the free one, so I thought let's make a video on it. Okay, and you guys should be aware of it. There are what are the tools, okay, which we can integrate through the VBA, and how we can integrate it. That is something which is amazing in just few lines of a VBA code. Okay, I would attach this file, okay, in the description box, guys. From there you guys can download it and do the practice. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.